I want them to respect their father. Balik-balik na rin man ang mundo, that's still their father. Even though in the beginning it was very tumultuous, marami kaming away, heated, marami kaming pinagdaanan. But eventually, time heals all wounds.
Year 2007, nung naghiwalay sina Rufa Gutierrez at dating asawa nitong si Ilmaz Bectas. Noong 2022, makalipas ang 15 years ay nagkita ulit ang mag-aama.
Your dad is alive, he exists, you actually have a father. He loves you, he may not be around, but don't hate him because without him, there wouldn't be a Lorene and a Venice.
You said that? Don't hate him.
Yeah, because sometimes
She'd only ever uplift her father.
And she gets
To us.
mad when we say mean things.
That was so difficult for you. And yet you're telling them, forgive your father.